Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Advisor. And today in this video, I will tell you about what is a loan and USA loan policy and all the things about loan. And today in this video, I will describe the different things in a short video. So uh, keep watching this video till end. Okay, first of all, you have to come I have to come in a chat gpt here. I search what is loan, then I will tell you about the answer of the first question is the loan is the financial agreement in which the lender provides the money toward the borrower with a expectation of the borrower with repay the principal amount, usually along with the interest over the specified period. Loan can be provided bank, financial institution, individual, and the can be used for various purposes such as the buying house, starting the business, finance, education. Loss can be secure, meaning the backed by the connection by the collateral such as the house or the car, such as house or the car, and various purpose such as buying the house, street car, and the meaning they are not backup any specific assessed the term and the condition of the loan, including the interest, repayment schedule, and the any fee for the typical outline in a loan agreement. So guys, now I will tell you the type of loan. So I search here what are the type of loan. First of all, we search here the type of loan, then wait for some time, then I tell you that the type of loans. There are the several type of loans, each designed to meet the specific financial need. Here are the some common types: personal loan, unsecured loan that can be used for a variety of the purposes such as the consoling debt, paying for the vacation, or the conveying unexpected expenses. Mortgage loan, such as used for to purchase the real estate, such as house or the commercial property. The property itself serves as the collateral. Auto loan, secured loan, specially used for a purpose of specially used for the purpose of vertical the vehicle, several as a collector. Student loan designed to help or the pay the collection of the related expenses such as tuition, book, living expenses, and the different things. The private leaders, the business loan, especially business. Guys, I want to remember you that this video is all about what is loan and what are the type of loans, and then what are the type of loans, how to take a loan, and we have discussed definition of loan, and then I am going to discuss the student loan. After that I will discuss the business loan. The business loan specialized for a business purpose such as the starting a new business, expanding the operation, or the covering the operation expenses. They can be secured as a unsecured payment loan, payday loan, short term high interest loan typically used to cover the immediate cash need until the borrower the next payday. These loans are the generally unsecured and can be expensive due to the high fees. A home equality home equity loan, secure loan that allows the home owner to borrow against the equity in a home. The home server as the collateral lines of the credit. The flexible loan arrangement where the borrowers can draw the fund up to the uh, predetermined limit as need. They can be secure or the unsecure, the credit loan, and the other are the these all are the type of loan I discuss. I hope you like this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.